Welcome back to another episode, but not just another episode of Moto MTB. Today is the Waterfall special, and short, so enjoy this short special video.
Good. Ready? Set, go. This dude done jumped his bike already. Came rolling up too.
As you can see, this is insanely fun. I enjoyed this trip very much, and I'll be going back again this summer, so stay tuned for more footage, and we'll be ripping those trails in Marquette and probably going back up the waterfall again, especially on my Santa Cruz. Stay tuned.